Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mark your item as sold or pending in Facebook Marketplace. So here we go. In order to do that, you can open your Facebook here, and you can access your marketplace here. In the sidebar there is marketplace icon. Click it, and here we go. So here, this item or something that sold nearby from another user, and here you can try to find your item. Here we go. In order to mark as sold, as you can see here, there is mark as sold button. I sold my mountain shoes, and here just click to mark as sold. This is a share button, and this is by click three dot you can delete the listing or mark as pending here, as I mentioned before. And let's try mark as sold. And here, did your response will not be shared with your response will not be shared with anyone on Facebook. So did you sell this item? Yes, sold on Facebook. Next, and here we go. Now this listing is being refilled and already sold on Facebook. And here, if you want to mark as pending, you can click mark as available, and here mark as pending, then mark as sold if you already sold on Facebook or any sources. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.